have an 82-foot, 106-foot, 120-foot, or a 150-foot mobile tower? Are you having trouble tilting your mobile tower to the upright position? We are going to take you through a 3-point troubleshooting guide to find out why your tower will not tilt to the upright position. Step 1. Tower Diagnostic Test Power Test. Check the power source to the tower. Volts needed 110 volts. Amps needed 30 amp breaker. Power. The power source cannot be 220 volts. You can check on the voltmeter in the electrical box. Check if the limit switch is engaged. Step 2. Test limit switch. Is your motor revving? Check to see if your limit switch is engaged. Often when your tower is in transport, sections of the tower can be shifted that disengage the limit switch. It is also possible that you have the wrong power source. Or there may not be enough power coming from your generator or shore power source. Step 3. Replace the zip tie for the next deployment. Now we can begin our last step. When your tower has reached the nested position, then replace the zip tie so it is ready for the next deployment. The Solaris Tower team is here for you 24/7 if you need help with your tower. Call us at 972-721-0150.